Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried enchiladas. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 12 corn tortillas, your favorite filling like seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken, and a good quality red or green enchilada sauce. Don't forget cooking oil for frying, and any toppings you love, such as crumbled cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh cilantro. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our filling. If you're using ground beef, brown it and drain any excess fat, then season it well. For shredded chicken, ensure it's cooked and seasoned. Next, gently warm your corn tortillas in a microwave or on a griddle for about 15 seconds each. This makes them flexible and less likely to break. Then dip each warm tortilla quickly into a shallow dish of warm enchilada sauce, ensuring both sides are coated. With your tortillas ready, it's time to fill and roll. Place about 2 tablespoons of your prepared filling down the center of each tortilla. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly, forming a neat cylinder. If they seem to unravel, a small toothpick can help hold them together temporarily. Heat about 1 inch of cooking oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Fry the rolled enchiladas for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. Once your enchiladas are fried to perfection, it's time to serve them. Arrange 2 or 3 enchiladas on each plate, then generously spoon warm enchilada sauce over the top. Now, get creative with your garnishes. Sprinkle with shredded Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese, add a dollop of sour cream, or a slice of fresh avocado. Serve these delicious fried enchiladas immediately to enjoy their crispy texture and rich flavors. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.